Today I'm going to show you the exact method to create a perfect Afro House drums every time you open up Afro Studio. First I'm going to dive into the basic drums with the kick, claps and hats. So I already got my kick loaded up. All the samples and percussions we're going to use are coming from a new Afro House sample pack, Ngoma. It's the perfect sample pack if you want to create Afro House with presets, drums, vocals, everything you need to create an Afro House banger. So kick sounds like this. First we're going to add in some hats, drop it in at the offbeat. Then create a 1/16 rhythm with a second hat. I already got those two loaded up to speed up the workflow a little bit. Those are just some basic hats. Something like this. We need to randomize the velocity and quantize it to get it slightly off the grid and have a different velocity for most of the notes. Then we're going to create a clap rhythm. Then we're going to add in the percussion. This will really start bringing in the groove of the track. So I got a few percussions loaded up from the sample pack. Start with the first perk right here. And make a groove like this. And layer it. Then we're gonna pad them to the left and right to create some more space in the mix. Altogether something like this. We got a basic percussion ready, so to finish off the basic drum section, we need to add some shaker loops to it. So open up the shaker tab from the Ngoma pack and just drop in some shaker loops. Just to fill it up some more. Which is dope, but we really need to mix down the percussion some more, so route them all to a new mixer channel. Ads can be at the same channel, so just like this. Other percussion is at 18. So start off with a kick drum. Just put it down a few dBs. Then add in a clap. And the backgrounds. Then the heads. Give them a little sidechain as well. The extreme short one. Around 60%. Then drop in the groovy percussions. Just like this. And of course the shakers as well. So yeah, this sounds way better already. So then to finish off the drum section, route them out to a drum bus and just add some compression. Give them some more punch. And control the loudness with some soft clipping. Just like this. Like for example, some Afro House producers did in these tracks. But we're gonna take it a step further. We're gonna add some more groove to it, make it a bit more interesting. So the first thing to add more spice to our drum stack are some more toms. So let's use this one and place it right here. These are two of the most important spots in your groove. So at the 4th and the 6th step of the beat. Yeah, really add some more energy to it. Bit too much low end, so fix it. And also spice it up even more with some OTT. And put it further in the mix with some reverb. Just like this. Then some more tom loops from the pack. So just drop in this one. And mix the tom. Remove the low end. OTT and reverb. Same as the other tom. So since we have two toms right now, we can bend them again to the left and right to make it a bit more interesting. Then I want to layer it again with another tom loop. Put some more emphasis on all the notes. You can see that's a sort of parallel compression loop. Of course, remove the low ends. And same OTT. So this tom stack really adds something more to it. Let's listen to it in context with the other ones. So then to finish up the drum section, I like to add some random perk shots. So open up the perk section. Like for example this one, get it slightly off grid. Just search for another one as well. Just like this, write them to the drum bass as well. The last thing I want to add is a really fast 1/16 percussion. Place it like this. Quantize it. And put it up real high like this. Then route it to the mixer channel. Scan the key of the sample. We only need to bump it up one semitone to get it in the key of the track in A minor. Then remove the low ends. Like this. And put it in stereo. Yeah, it's really solid. Add some more groove to it. Lower down the volume, of course. Again, give some more depth to it. So that's how I make Afro House drums. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos. Baby, hold me close, baby, hold me